Today we will introduce how to operate and install the DM40. Wheels, power cable, handle braces, funnel and tubes, screen holder, screen, eye protection glasses, laser handles. Installment. First, we take out two wheels with locks, insert them into the screw holes, and turn them to the right. For wheels installed, align the screen bracket with the four holes of the screen. Pay attention to the four screws at the bottom. Put the screw and the screw buckle together. Install it into the slot and tighten it with a screwdriver. Then screen has been installed on the bracket. Align the swivel base of the screen for easier installation. Align the screws with the holes. And fix it on the machine. Next, we install the handle bracket, which requires two screws and a bracket. Align the screw holes. The bracket on the other side, the same process. The handle bracket is installed. Now let's install the handle. First, place the handle on the handle bracket. When we connect the handle to the machine, please note that the switch needs to be horizontal. Rotate the switch after fixing. Now the handle is connected. Add/replace the water. We need to add distilled water to the machine. Prepare a tube with a funnel and a tube without a funnel, a container, and the distilled water. This is the water inlet, water outlet, and overflow of the machine. Connect the tube with the funnel to the water inlet and another tube to the overflow. Handles can be removed before adding water, so that the water will enter the water pipe of the handle due to gravity. When adding water, the funnel should be higher than the water inlet, and the water is poured into the funnel until water flows out of the overflow port. It proves that the water tank is full. When the water needs to be replaced, connect the water outlet until the water in the tank is drained, and then we will refill the water. Connect the power cord, insert the key. This is an emergency brake. When the machine fails or an alarm occurs, we need to press the emergency brake. Rotate to release the emergency brake. Machine ID number and laser handle counter will be displayed in the settings. How many shots we have used will be displayed here. This one is to switch languages. These two are small handles and large handles. It will also be displayed on the screen of the handle. When we use the small handle, click directly on the screen behind the small handle. Select the gender of your patient. We can see that there are three modes on the screen: FHR, HR, and SR. FHR is for large area treatment. We can choose FHR mode. If it is small area treatment, we choose HR mode. If it is for skin rejuvenation, choose SR mode. When entered FHR, we can choose a large area of treatment. Select the skin color of the patient, adjust from 1 to 6. Then adjust the energy. 0 is adjusted from 1 to 12. Its frequency is fixed at 10 and not available to change. It is suitable for the treatment of large areas of hair removal quickly. Slide treatment. And then click to start the treatment. Enter the HR mode. We could choose a small area for treatment. For example, if we choose the upper lip, there are also 6 types of skin color that can be adjusted. The frequency can be adjusted from 1 to 10. Or the energy. Adjust from low to high. Energy and frequency automatically interacted with each other. When we use high energy, the frequency will be lower, for safety reasons. The best setting is the highest setting that your patient could tolerate. Then we can start to perform the treatment. When we treat facial rejuvenation, choose SR mode and adjust the energy. We can tap on the middle area. To adjust the energy. Then when we switch to the forehead or at the jaw, its energy will be correspondingly reduced by 10%. Here are the shots we used for this treatment. When there is a new customer, we can reset the counter. After we set the parameters of the screen, the handle starts to work. And we can see that the small screen of the handle will also display the parameters. Adjusting directly on the handle screen will save you time. During the treatment, it is recommended that patients shave their hair in advance. Apply cooling gel and smooth it onto the skin. For small treatment area, we can select small handle. Select the mode, for example, the arm is the treatment part. Adjust the parameters, also the skin color. The energy ranges from low to high, starting from 10, adjusting up or down according to the customer's pain acceptance, and then the frequency can start from 1 or 2 or 3. We will also see the corresponding parameters on the small screen of this controller. Because the frequency we set is 3, so when you press the button once, the light will emit 3 times. We can perform inching treatment for the first treatment. Sliding treatment for the second time. And sliding treatment for the third time. We can perform 3 treatments on the same part to achieve the best effect. This is the installation and operation videos about DM40. If you have any questions, feel free to consult for more information.